Right guys, so we're out here today, another beautiful cold day. We've got the brand new Renegade XMR 1000, just picked it up last night. She's never seen the mud yet, she's still nice and clean, not for long. We've got her, we've got the 500 Rubicon on 32 sludges, and we've got the other 500 Rubicon on the 4S track system. At the moment we've got a standard Pioneer, that's the 700, sitting on a wee set of 25s. We've got a set of 36 silverback MT2s coming for that, and a 3-inch lift. So hopefully that will improve ground clearance a wee bit. At the moment, well, we've got another two brand new 520 Rubicons that we've just got. Both of them are autos, the DCT, power steering. People say that power steering's gay and all the rest of it. I like it, especially on track kits. Very easy to use, nice, and it doesn't kill your arms at the end of the day. The power steering in the 32s, they're as light as a feather, you know, you really can't argue with it at all. And obviously the Can-Am as well, that's power steering and everything else. To be honest with you, the Can-Am stock, obviously as you can tell we're a Honda. Hopefully I'm going to be a Honda guy converted to Can-Am. Still to get a torque locker fitted into it, and we've still got to do a few wee bits and pieces. We're going to get a 6-inch Catvo's lift, and we're going to probably run 34.5 Outlaws. Unfortunately here in Scotland everything costs a fortune. Everything's got to be imported, and if it's not imported you can't get it, unfortunately. I don't know why. Both bikes are running stock exhausts. Only reason being is because if we're in seriously deep water, we have a snorkel that will come out and up on both bikes. Generally speaking, we're never in deep enough water with these bikes that will need it. However, obviously the Can-Am snorkeled from factory and idles fine underwater. The Hondas, as everybody well knows, they don't idle stock underwater. These bikes were out working at the weekend, so not had a chance to be cleaned. Can-Am, as I say, we picked up yesterday. Big shout out to Derbyshire Off-Road Centre. Rick and Ben there, both top guys, sorted us out with the Can-Am. So we've got a few bits and pieces coming for it, and we're going to be upgrading clutching on that as well to obviously turn the larger tyres. Guys, give me a shout, tell me what you think, tell me what bikes you prefer, what bikes you want to see. We really only brought the Pioneer as a bit of a recovery wagon if we need it. You know, we can stick all the stuff in the back of it and take it kind of wherever we need. So I think today we're going to go down to this wee track that we know. We're going to take the 500 Rubicon on wheels, sorry, and we're going to take the Can-Am for a wee blast and see what does better and what performs better and what one we can kill first. Stay tuned, guys. See what the Honda can do. This is only some light off-roading at the moment, just to see what's you know, if there's any major differences between them. Obviously the Honda is smooth. I would say the Honda kind of had that one there slightly. Could be wrong. Maybe it's just me being biased. I think we'll head down here. The power of the Can-Am's unreal. It really is. I think though a big bore kit might be might be in order for it. Don't know. We'll see how we get on. We might. Our biggest problem here is everything costs so much. You know, obviously like Austin Cruiser and you know Mud Puppy and whatever else, they all live in the States. They're there when things are cheap. You know, things are so expensive over here. Well, I'll give you an example. A set of 32 sludges are nearly £2,000. So that would equate to, I don't know what, $1,800 roughly. You know, so things are really expensive. So a sport that, you know, maybe over in Canada or over in America or whatever else, that would cost half, really, is now is now kind of getting to the unaffordable stage for a lot of people. Quite fortunate that we're in a position that we can do it, but it's expensive over here. I think this is more the tyres the Honda has on it. You know, they are pretty good. They spin a lot as well. They don't poop up. Yeah. Stuck. We need to get rescued by the Honda. I think that was my fault, didn't have enough speed up. Nah. Honda rescue! That way. Yeah, come in the front. At least the Visco's working. That's always a bonus. Oh. It's a good wee Honda, that. People don't give Honda enough credit. I'm telling you. Oh. Well, I think we're sitting at -5 at the moment, Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but I think it's cold. She's not, I reckon probably with a shove we could get her out. The Honda's stuck as well. Right, okay, right, let's throw. I mean, we've got trees that we can use, so not the end of the world. Get the other side, please. Oh, heated hand warmers. Oh, the flattened bit is my tracks, but come on, we need to get this going. Right, 1, 2, 3, go. Right, safer option, jump the bike, let the winch out. Hang on, hang on. I know I just told you to let the winch out, but I kind of forgot that one about free spill. So, go and give us a strap out. I don't think this tree will be strong enough, but we'll give it a bash. Have you got a wee purple one? I'll just take a wee purple one.
What?
You got a wee purple one in there?
Yeah.
Give us that out.
Instead as well.
No, instead. Baby, it's not the house, you don't need to reorganise everything.
What?
He said it's not the house, you don't need to reorganise everything. Woman, eh? You a bit stuck? Just throw it. Take the winch off, free spill. Good throw. That might be strong enough. We'll see. Well, what if it only goes one way? Right, winch in for me. Don't sit in the bike. Winch in a bit of throttle. Well, in fact, you will need to sit in the bike, so you need to do both. Sit in the bike, it's fine. Fine. Bit of throttle, winch in. Not the now, just winch in the now. Right. Okay. Now you bit of throttle. Diff lock off. I don't want to snap axles to do. Wee bit of throttle and let's get it out. Keep going, keep going, keep going. More throttle. You really need to stay up on top of it, right? So pin it till you get to mine. Right, hopefully you don't get stuck again. Huh? Just diff lock it if you need to, it's fine. Just diff lock it and go through. Go for it, pin. Yeah. Go. The wee Honda's got no power. Light though. But it's just why they're great work bikes, and of course she just goes away and leaves me and I've got to walk back through all this, but anyway. Right. Bit closer, no, closer. Okay. problem is, how do you get out? Let off. Okay. Great winches these. 3,500 with like kind of an Amsteel blue. It's not a cheap synthetic, it's made by the same people as make Amsteel blue, except get Amsteel blue in Scotland is serious money. Great, absolutely brilliant. They've got a braking strain, I think they're 6mm or 7mm, and they've got a braking strain about 4.5 tonne. They're brilliant ropes, brilliant. They're double sheathed, so even in the cold weather makes no difference to them. Let's hope nobody else gets stuck. I think go out that way for you and I'll follow suit. Yeah, reverse and just head out. May as well. Fan sounds big in that. Fan sounds huge in that. Okay. That wasn't that bad. I mean, obviously, kind of people like Auster Cruise and whatever ride this all the time. This is not our norm. I say it's not our norm. In the next video, you'll see a proper skeg field, and chances are it'll be titled something like Auster Cruiser Eat Your Heart Out. But yeah. So my hands have warmed up though. My hands have warmed up. You got the fucking sealskin gloves. What do you think? Black hole of death? Yeah? Alright, go for it. If you ever try to get away from cops, get a car out. 100%. Power is intoxicating. You know though, I have absolutely no idea what I've done with my glasses. I don't know. Oh well. I need to buy a new helmet anyway. At some point, not now. So anyway, this is pretty much, well, the first of maybe a few videos that we've put up, and what do you think, babe? Giant risk it? We've not got the track quad. It doesn't look that bad, but it's not that bad. It's kind of around the corner. We'll try and drive down to it. We'll try and drive down. running there. So, kind of funny wee story. I passed up this trail on our big Trax 500, and it was fine. I went through it. It was deep, but it wasn't ridiculous. Done my thing through there, and came back through. Again, wasn't ridiculous. We came back down the following day, went through it, and the bike was underwater. And I don't mean underwater as in, you know, the snorkel, but I mean the bike was about from the top of that puddle to the bottom. It was, sorry, the top of that puddle to the top of our handlebars, it was about 6 foot. We ended up, I mean, I'll upload some photos in between this, but we ended up getting a big track machine down, a big digger, and had to lift the quad out. Unfortunately, when tracks, if the engine's not running, you can't turn the tracks. Very difficult to get them out of a hole. So yeah, so that was pretty much that. I'm wondering where she is. I don't know where she is. Oh, here she comes. I was explaining that we had to get a digger. I was explaining we had to get a digger down to get the track quad out, because certainly was. Had Haglins, the BV206 or 207, whatever it was. We had everything down, trying to get it out. And good old Honda fired right back up. What's that? I know the wee bikes have been through some abuse, but keep running strong. I think what we'll do is, I don't think we're going to attempt it. It's too cold, and to be honest with you, the track bike sits a lot taller than this, and it's swamped the track bike completely. I don't want to try it in this. It's not worth it. Brand, I mean, it's not even a day old yet. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it. We'll turn round and